lift.
Look at that! Look at that!
Look at that!
Re-entry heating.
That's ridiculous.
Look at that!
Should be coming
A
up
little bit of a
very
cloud. That's the plume.
shortly.
There it is at the bottom.
Oh my god, look at the angle!
Wow!
Watch for the eruptors. We want 13 healthy engines.
Should be coming up
Come
on that
on.
landing burn.
Yep.
Come on, booster heavy. It's booster heavy. Super heavy. You can do it.
Look at this.
Look at the re-entry.
That's 6.5 minutes. That is moving so fast. Look at how hard it is.
Oh!
Ignition.
That's the 13. They did it!
No.
How did they do it?
They did it on the first try.
How did they do that?
What? There's a fire at the bottom. It's on the chopsticks. It's look, that side it's not resting on the grid fins.
And the other, I think, is also fine.
We'll see if we can get a different angle here.
The fire is almost out.
Well, I hope it goes out.
How did this just happen?
No way! You gotta be kidding me.
Did I just scream?
Are we just? Is this?
How?
Is this for real?
Huh?
Okay, here's another angle. This is gonna be from the southern side.
It's a bit angled.
Hey. Look at that. There's a close-up of the fire. All right.
All right, all right. It's not.
Alex, that looks like it's from the cutie area.
Yeah, and I sort of expected something like this. It is the first
Uh-huh.
attempt. First attempts tend
Look,
to be
not
a
on the
bit more
grid fins there.
fiery.
Keep
Yeah,
going.
yeah.
It's straight. It's actually on the landing pins.
Look at that. So this would be a There's our bottom shot of the fire and the top shot.
And it's also good that they are safing it, because all of that means, you know, the remaining propellant, the remaining boil off gets away from the vehicle, and so any potential
Sparks.
fires like we're seeing there can be put out by just removing the source of the fire, right? If there's
Alex,
some
you see the
methane.
sparks that are falling out of the bottom there, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's sparks coming
Those
from the
engines
engine
got through a
section.
very fiery re-entry and landing burn, so it's very
And
understandable.
now
Yeah.
imagine the value for an engineer to see these sparks and be like, I'm able to look at these engines. hopefully."
Look at that!
That's ridiculous.
The bottom of the thing is smoking right now.
Imagine being late to the stream and being like, oh, SpaceX is
Whoa.
going fast. They're already stacking the next booster, right?
When's it launching, y'all?
Yeah,
Like, well,
that's a cool
this is
stack.
10 minutes ago.
I'm sorry, by the way. I know we started to scream at some point during
Oh,
the
it's
landing.
fine.
But
It's fine. That fire looks so much better. It almost looks like it's dripped
Yeah.
down. There's actually venting coming out.
yeah, they're opening all the vents now to depressure.
Fine accuracy that they could get the booster in between the chopsticks. I mean, clearly that was correct. They made it look easy.
Yeah, I
Good
mean,
grief.
and the implications for the program as a whole and Artemis are ginormous of this, because already reaching the step of first stage reusability.
Yep. How many patches do we have left? We're gonna shell out of patches because they actually caught this thing.
Yeah, I have to look at actually.
Check and see what percentage we have
Yep,
left on
yep.
patches, because
Oh.
the patches are crazy.
My
Jack!
Jack!
Jack is here.
God.
Yeah, 50% fault.
The sonic booms,
Jack.
you guys. We've been saying this forever now, that the sonic booms were going to be amazing for this one, and they were amazing for this one. Oh my god, I knew they were coming, and still they shook